Let's do some trader talk now with Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at Paradigm. Alan, the market is not doing much moving lately. What does that mean?
Hello, Angie. Stocks are stalled, but in a good way. We've been above 4,000 in the S&P for the whole month of April.
You have been on a winning streak with your trades, Alan. What's the latest?
All right, we're holding our hands. Holding our hand that we have right now with a lot of further out options, July, September options, and so forth. So we had back-to-back weekly winners here. We're set up for success with time to see if stocks can make this surge.
What's your new trade?
All right, today's trade trigger is Sentinel-1, S. Now, I know that used to be Sprint, but the symbol is S. Now, this is a stock that's 50% off its 2022 top, and it's 40% off its 2023 low. So it's had a big bounce here. We see bullish divergence, meaning it made new lows but not new highs in implied volatility, and we are seeing a lot of leverage options purchasing, buying on the bullish side. So we've been trading between 13 and 18 here now, making a bottom base for 4 months. A breakout of this range targets 23. So the way to play is buying the S September $15 call, which is below the midpoint of that range, trading for about 4.25 or so, and it's $2 in the money.
That company is in the cybersecurity space, and especially after the Pentagon data leaks, this is a sector that's now getting a lot of attention. For someone who just wants to buy the stock, what level does that chart indicate for a breakout?
Now, this option has 5 months and a 75 delta, so we've got a lot of upside if we can get a breakout above that 18.
What are your trading day takeaways? The market may not be moving much, but as you pointed out, it's holding some nice levels.
All right, trading takeaway. Number 1, lucky 13. The S&P is now 13% off the all-time forever top from 2022, and it's 19% off of the low from October. Number 2, the $100. So the dollar right now has sold down to the lows. Now we need to see a break below this 100 level to accelerate the decline and help all assets. And number 3, vol fall. We can't talk about this enough. Volatility has dropped dramatically, hit new 1-year low here at the 16 level. It's down nearly 50% in a month. But let's remember that in 2017, volatility was down at the 8 level. So that's half of where we are now, meaning there's a lot more downside in volatility and a lot more upside in stocks because we're not complacent yet.
Good to get your trader talk. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.